Do you want to participate in Youth Ideathon but don't know how to register? Don't worry, in this video, we'll show you exactly how to register and create your SID, student ID, in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Visit youthideathon.in. Then from title bar, select Y account. Then click on Register to begin your registration. Step 2. Enter your details. Now fill in your basic details carefully. Enter your name, mobile number, email ID, and other required information. Make sure all the details you enter are correct. Step 3. Verify your details. Once you submit your details, you may be asked to verify your mobile number or email ID. Complete the verification process to continue. Step 4. Create your SID. After completing the registration process, your SID student ID will be created. Your SID is your unique identification for Youth Ideathon. Make sure you save it safely, as you may need it for future steps, including submitting your idea. That's it. You are now registered for Youth Ideathon and have your own SID. With your SID ready, you can now move ahead and submit your innovative idea.